Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jupiter Machine. Thanks for watching this first voiceover tutorial. I would like to thank my Patreon for their support and go through this first project file here called Red Track. So I would like to go over the setup of the scene here, starting with the light and the gobos. So if you have an HDRI link for the light setup, that will save you a lot of time and that will give you a better result. So here inside the gobo setting, so you can change the scale of the light and also the rotation of the gobos to have different effect with the light and the product here, plus the shadow underneath of the motorcycle. So if you turn on the HDRI light, so you have the entire scene light up with the shadows underneath. You can rotate the product and have a different angle for rendering. So the inspiration of the motorcycle came from Barbara. I don't know if you ever hear of it, but it's they're on Pinterest and they're on Instagram, so you can check what they're doing for revamping classic motorcycle to a futuristic look of motorcycle. So it's quite inspirational. Here you have a different angle shot for the camera. This one I have to rename it to top shot. Here you have the product that you can change here. You can change the color of the motorcycle. You can change even the decal. So I made the decal easy for people to put the design they want and have a different result with the motorcycle. And the box around the motorcycle was made in Fusion 360. So if you never try Fusion 360, it's a good software to for modeling 3D and CAD. But the only issue was the mesh with the file after you export it in Cinema 4D. So you have to use the Z remesher. And here with the light setup, you have different results if you just use the side light with the direction of the shadow underneath of the motorcycle. So the right light here gives you different feels of the product. Here, if you change the light, the backlight, so you have the halo around the wheels and the side of the motorcycle. Alright guys, that's it for this quick tutorial. Like, share, subscribe. I'm out.